Hi guys, today I decided to unbox this pack. It has been with me since 3 days now because the pack arrived on Saturday morning, so there is no chance for me to unbox it ever since because I'm very busy. So right now I just want to see what I ordered versus what I got. So mostly what is inside this pack is for my kids. So let me just see if what I ordered versus what I got, because it's not easy. I'm not saying these people, their matter get as it be. So I try to show it to you people. Look at it. Okay, let's go there. What I ordered versus what I got. Okay, let me see. Let's go there. Please, what I ordered. You people have seen it. Forget my camera. For this video, I'm videoing in the night, not daytime. Okay, look at this. I don't know. This ashes color. I don't normally know what is inside. Let's put it aside. Okay. Sounds already removed. This is another one. People can see. Let's go there. I will show you for later. Just want to remove it. This is a face card. You can see. Okay. This is a bag. It's not for him. This is a bag. I don't know how it looks like. Yeah. It's like it's just 5 out of 10. So this is the last one. So now let's go. Let me start for this one that has already been open. Let me see what's inside. Yo, what size is this? 4XL. This one lagbaja. People can see it. Okay. It look like sleeping gown. This is the top. I thought it has slits. There's no slits though. Hi. These people, they will keep person. Okay. Let me see this one. Where is this one? Okay. Then this one is the singlet inside. You can see. You guys can see. This one is for my kids. Los Angeles. You can see. See the name. Los Angeles, California. Original. So let's go. Then this is the top. It has the right top. Let's see the right top. The same Los Angeles. See. Okay, it looks beautiful. Then this is the amazing bag everybody's waiting for to see. Let me see. It's beautiful anyway. My camera is not giving, but all the same people can see it. Okay, let me go back a little. You can see it. Beautiful. I love this bag. I love it. Meeting go hear word from my mouth. So guys, let's go. Let me see. This, a handle. Then a little purse, you can put your coins inside. Okay, it's okay.
It's not that difficult.
Okay, it's beautiful. I love this. I don't have this color. This kind of color, vacuum color. That's I decided to go for it. I love it. If you put on black, it will also match. Black top. It's easy to go with black. You can see it has a wool in the hand there and a wool at the side of the bags. There's a name, but I can't say it. There. Let's go. I got this fine t-shirt. You can see. Green t-shirt. Very beautiful. You can see it. Hey, they will hear word from my hand. This is just a casual wear, you understand? Just to go out. Just casual. Look at it, it's beautiful. Then, the least but not the last. Wow, very nice. I don't want a village person. Okay, let's go there. Then this is a cap because I love this cap very much. I love this cap. Then this is the same Los Angeles. So let's go. I love this cap. Then try. Really, this is what I really order. And they bring it for me. More. You can see, guys. Beautiful. I love you guys. Bye.